Click the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and also click the bell button to get notification. Hello friends, welcome to Planners on a Mission channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to click the red button to subscribe to my channel, and also I'll be posting videos every week on exam and study tips and education related videos.
Many women, irrespective of age, want to have a slim body. Losing weight is one of the most popular activities in the world. Apple cider vinegar can help reduction of abdominal fat as it breaks down fat cells and aids digestion. The apple cider vinegar could be a substitute for diets that claim to have an astonishing effect to the body when it comes to losing weight. Apple cider vinegar is said to be proven effective in giving your body the perfect shape that you always wanted. In today's video, I am going to share tips on how to use apple cider vinegar in 3 ways for weight loss. Number 1. Add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in 1 glass of water and stir well, and drink this mix 30 minutes before each meal. This will help you to speed up your weight loss. Number 2. Add 1 tablespoon of organic apple cider vinegar in 1 glass of fruit juice, or you can also substitute for any vegetable juice, and you can drink this mix for twice a day to reduce weight. Number 3. Mix 1 teaspoon of cinnamon to 2 or 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in 1 glass of water and stir it well. Drink it 30 minutes before each meal to lose weight, and check with your doctor before taking it as it may interact with certain medications. Don't drink too much as this will have negative effects and it won't make you lose weight faster. Try to eat food types that are high in protein, consuming as much as fresh fruits and vegetables as possible. Avoid overeating and binging by eating more frequent but smaller meals. Also, if you follow it with some exercise of your choice, you are definitely going to see the difference. Start today and share me your experience by commenting below using apple cider vinegar. This way, you will be able to lose weight within a week. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Planners on a Mission. I'll be posting videos every week on study tips, exam tips, health tips and motivation videos. Thank you.